Today we will take a look at PolarPro LiteChaser case, grip and filter system for iPhone 11 Pro lineup. These are brand new accessories intended for improving both handling and the results that you can get from your iPhone cameras. There is a couple of options or kits that you can get, and the one that I have here is the photography kit. It consists of the case, the grip and circular polarizing filter. I will explain other options later in the video. You can also take a look at the current prices of each kit in the link in the description. The filters and the grip are attached to the phone using a special case, so let's take a look at that first. For the most part, it works just like any other case, but it has two special features. The first one are the groove on both sides of the case. These are the attachment points for the grip. The other special feature is the filter attachment. Filter cases are usually not very high quality, but that is definitely not the case here. This case has hardened plastic edges and the backside is made of rubber. The materials are very high quality, I like the texture on the backside, and I can say that it feels very premium overall. It is relatively flexible, so installing the iPhone into the case is pretty easy. The buttons also feel quite nice. There is reasonable amount of material around the corners and the front edge is raised, so it provides a lot of protection. The bottom front part is cut out, which is what I prefer. There is also an extra lip there for protection. The wireless charging works with no issues. The lens attachment system hardly adds any bulk to the case, so big thumbs up for that. I've been using this case for about a week even without the attachments, and I can say that it is generally a very good case. The ergonomy of any smartphone for photography or filmmaking is not great. One way to improve that a lot is to use a grip. This grip attaches to the case using the grooves on both sides. You just have to slide and depress the bronze button to extend those claws and choose where you want to put the grip. Surprisingly, the attachment is 100% solid and secure, and there is no play at all. The grip itself is very well made. I can fit all 4 fingers on the grip and it just fits into my hand really well. Using the shutter button on the screen is not very comfortable while using this grip, so I use volume buttons instead. It also doubles as a tripod mount. It has 1/4-inch threads on both sides, so you can use those to mount a tripod plate or a table tripod. Overall, I can say that I like this system a lot. It is very well thought out, very secure, and it definitely improves the handling. The surface is rubberized, so it won't slip out of your hands. The obvious disadvantage is that it increases the overall size and you have to carry it with you, but if you shoot a lot with your smartphone, it is worth it in my opinion. The last part of the system are the filters. Attaching the filters is very easy. You just need to align the filter with attachment points and rotate it clockwise. The filter covers all 3 lenses at the same time. You can get circular polarizer, 3 to 5 stop variable ND filter, ND8 and ND64 filters. Here I have the circular polarizer. Circular polarizer is useful for cutting out reflection from surfaces such as the water or glass, for increasing the contrast and the saturation. They can also help with atmospheric haze and they act as 1 to 2 stop ND filters. I generally like to use polarizers, especially for landscapes. You can set the amount of polarizing effect simply by rotating the filter. This filter is very well made. I like PolarPro's copper color scheme and the ring is easy to turn. This filter also comes with the Fender style lens cap and little case for transportation. It seems that the glass is optically very good. 12 megapixel iPhone shots are not that big of a challenge, and I can say that you won't notice any negative effects on the image quality. I will also try to make a review of other filters once they will be available. I am especially looking forward to testing the variable neutral density filter. To sum up, the LiteChaser is very well thought out system. The case is very high quality, it protects the iPhone, and it works well with or without the attachments. The grip significantly improves the handling and it makes the iPhone photography a bit more enjoyable. The build quality with that one is also great and the attachment system is flawless. Using the filters is also a way to improve your smartphone photography and filmmaking. Especially the variable neutral density on iPhone will be very useful for advanced iPhone videography. The main disadvantage of this system is that it is only available for iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Regarding the products themselves, I haven't found anything that I could criticize. The price is also reasonable for a premium product, so I can generally recommend PolarPro LiteChaser system. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked this video and that you found it to be useful. Stay tuned for more videos and maybe consider subscribing if you don't want to miss my future content. I appreciate your feedback in form of thumbs up or thumbs down. If you would like to ask anything or share your opinion, please do so in the comment section, and see you next time.